So in this workshop, we will be talking about distributed energy systems, captive energy systems, as they call it in Rwanda. And it'll be a forum to brainstorm ideas and exchange, brainstorm new ideas and exchange opinions on how to formulate best policies to regulate the new trend of captive energy systems in Rwanda.
This is a solution for the customers, but on the other hand, if we are not careful, it will create another problem to the utility. And that's why we thought that as a regulator, we need to be proactive and put in place a regulatory framework that will govern and will help us manage these systems so that we have a win-win situation for both the utility and the customers. And through this workshop, we expect to discuss and learn the best practices, because we don't want to reinvent the wheel. There are some countries that have gone through this and they have had experience, and we want to hear the best practices and recommendations on how we can go about this issue.